Hello everyone, welcome to the Stealing Insight YouTube channel. On our Excel today, we'll be dialoguing on how to hide or mask details. This is actually essential in order to protect our data, in order to ensure we meet up with some security requirements. And I'll be showing you how to do that. Like the first thing we'll be using is the phone numbers, how we can mask phone numbers in between. But the good thing about this class is that I will be showing you in two ways. There are some that are having the lower version of Excel that will not be able to use the first formula I'm going to be using. So I'm going to show you the two ways you can do it to go with the one that you prefer. Now, the breakdown is this. For you to max this phone number, equality sign is the first thing in an Excel. Then you're starting from the left. So you want the Excel to mask from the left. So from the left, I'm masking the first. I'm going to be showing the first three digits. Now the first three digits is going to be the cell I want to pick, which means the text. The number character is 3. Then I close the bracket. The next thing is to put the symbol and. Once you put the hand, then there are some Excel version that does not have the rept. So the rept is actually talking about repetition. Now for the repetition, now what do you want to repeat? You want to repeat the star. That's what we want to repeat. So now the next thing is, what is the length at which you want to repeat it? Now I've counted the first three digits, which is 081. Now I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to clone the 6 numbers that follows. So what I need to do is to give the length of what I want to in that cell, A2. Then I'll close the bracket. Then subtract it from what I counted then was 6. So what you're going to put here will be 7 in order to get the 6. Then you close the bracket and put and. Once you put and, the next thing is to give the right formula, meaning what you want at the right hand side. Then you're having A2, then it will be left with 2 characters. Once you put the enter key, you have it in this manner. So for this, with that, you are going to get the max span this way. I changed this to 5 in order to increase the numbers as opposed to the previous statement. So when you want the numbers to be higher, you will be a 1 less, not 1 more, 1 less. That's that about this. If you use this, you get your response for everything. The second way to go about it is that you don't use the rept function. Here, look at the formula here. You're having the rept function telling us to repeat this star with this length of time. Now, if you just want to go directly for those who use the lower Excel function, is equal to, then you have the same formula left. You open the bracket. This is what you want to clone. You want to clone the first 3 digits. Then you close the bracket and you put the and symbol. Then what do you want to be in the middle? I want to have 6 stars. Then you close it. So after this, then you put the hand also in order for you to match them, and the right, open bracket, A2, what will be left to. Once you click the enter key, you have the same result. So all I'm trying to say here is that if you are using the higher Excel version, you can use the rept formula and you have this result. So, and you can also replace this rept with the number of stars you want, which is this. Now, I said we can mask our phone number, security session number. Let's try for an ATM card pan. So going forward, please, I have a disclosure to you for how to reverse it at the end of the, if possible, we could reverse it at the end of the class. So now, for us to do this function, we are using the same formula. So we are using this. So I'll be faster this time. I want to keep the first 6 digits. Then the AND. I want to use the rep function. Then the length. I teach how to keep it. So what I'm doing here is that is an ATM card pan. So I want to keep the first 6 digits and the last 4 digits. Then I'm going to start the in between. So with this, I have this as my result. So this is the first 6 digits and the last 4 digits. And I can just do this and I'm fine. So now using the other formula, so we're having the same results using 2 different formulas. So with this, I also have my results. So now, at this point, I want you to note that each and every of these can just be used to clone your work. And the important information that I promised to pass across is that to reverse the masking in Excel, you did need to refer to the unmasked data, as the marked version cannot be regenerated to the previous data. So the way I've masked this, there is no formula to revert it back to this. And if you know that, you know that it's important in order for people and fraudsters and every other scammers not to have access to the original file. So there is no way you clone an Excel, a mask a particular digit in an Excel, and you get the result of how to unmask it. And if you know how to go about that, tell us in the comment section that you are a pro. We're all learning. But I believe and I'm sure, I'm more than certain you can never do that as it is today. Ensure to always remember that with just few formulas like this, you can protect sensitive information in Microsoft Excel and ensure you are compliant with data privacy standards. And if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, subscribe for more Excel tips. Drop a comment what you like me to cover next. And thank you for watching.